Hey everybody, Fred here with RedlineAutosports.com and RedlineMuscleCars.com. This is our 82 Scottsdale short wide Chevy pickup. It's two-tone blue, runs and drives excellent. It's four-wheel drive. It's got brand new tires, brand new paint, brand new interior. This truck runs and drives excellent. All new glass, new chrome throughout. Really nicely done truck. Power windows, power locks, tilt and cruise, factory AC, factory AM FM stereo. All the chrome and trim is really nice on this truck. All the way around it, the paint's beautiful. Factory V8. 305 truck, 5.0. AC works great, blows ice cold. The paint is new and it looks gorgeous. The grill is new. Everything looks new on this truck. It is brand new inside and out, beautiful. Black spray and bed liner. Original build sheet. Some of the original paperwork is in there. Super straight, super solid truck. Looks great inside and out. Dual exhaust. New tailgate, nice new bumper, just a gorgeous truck. It runs and drives so good. Check us out at RedlineMuscleCars.com. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. Thanks, y'all have a blessed and awesome day.